don't wanna love myself. I'm praying that you don't love me. Cause you don't wanna, 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 you don't wanna. I should've let you know that you're my only.
Guys, I will be doing a YouTube tutorial on how I do my everyday bun hairstyle. Like, it's so easy. Stay tuned. Okay, so first we're gonna take out our hair and just, yeah, that feels so good. So you're gonna take your spray bottle and just wet your hair all around like so. Okay, so now you're gonna take your Cantu shea butter or like a moisturizer of your choice, and then, hold on. You're gonna just put that in your hair, like rub it around, like rub it in your hands and then put it in your hair. And I'm just putting that like all over my head because you don't want no dry hair. You know, you gotta keep your hair moisturized under that bun to keep it like a protective style. And then you're gonna spray some more water in the front, back, all in there. And then you're gonna take a wide tooth comb and then just comb like the outsides of your hair, like the edges, so it can be like slick down your ponytail. Now you're gonna take like a Denman brush. That's not really, it's a good brush right there. Y'all should get one of those because it really doesn't hurt, as like it don't hurt basically, because the bristles move with your hair, you know. It's hard to explain, but yeah, I got a big head, bruh. I got a big head. Alright, so now you're gonna take some gel. I use Equal Styler, the white one, well, clear one actually. Yeah. And then you're gonna take your brush and just brush it up, like to make it slick, cause you don't want no bumps in your head. I really do have a big head, you guys. And now you're gonna take your scrunchie and then just wrap that to your head. Don't like put the ends in there because that's not a bun. And you're gonna take another scrunchie and like wrap it like around that bun to get your desired look, and then play with it. Now you're gonna take some gel and then brush, like put it back because there were some flyaway looking things. So now you're gonna, next is our edges. I won't be like showing much detail into this because that's a whole nother video. Like, come on now. So yeah, that's gonna be a whole nother video. Yeah. Now you're gonna take some Got To Be Glued and then put that on your edges because you want that extra hold. Some people be like, you can't put this in your edges, they're gonna be going, but it's the way you take it out. Like, come on now. Just wash it out. That's what I do. And this stuff really, really locks down them edges. Like, real talks. Okay, so now I'm just fixing it up, taking out the little piece things, and then, yeah. Here is a view of my hair.
It's been a beautiful day. Yeah, man. Have a wonderful time, wonderful day we have today.